So let's see this question from the chapter The Portrait of a Lady. According to the question, we have asked what are the three phases of the author's relationship with his grandmother before he left the country to study abroad. So, when he grew up, he went to study abroad. So, before that, he had shared three phases with his grandmother. So, we are asked to write those three phases. So accordingly, the three phases are: number one is the childhood phase, number second is the boyhood phase, and number third is the early youth phase. So childhood phase was a phase when he used to live with his grandmother, when his parents went to the city and he was constantly with his grandmother. They used to be together every time. In fact, she used to accompany him to school, and while accompanying him to school, she used to carry stale chapatis for the village dogs. So, this was the phase when he went to the village school, and the grandmother helped him to get ready and went to school with him. Next, when the parents called both the child and the grandmother to the city, and he started going to the city school in a bus, although they shared a room with each other, but she could no longer help him in his studies because he used to study in an English medium school, and the language was not at all being understood by the lady. So she used to feel very helpless as she was not able to help him in his studies as she used to do in the earlier phases when he was a very small child and he used to go in a small village school. So this was the phase of his boyhood phase. And lastly, there's an early youth period when he went to the university and was given a room of his own. So now he was a very grown up boy, and as he was about to go for university, he was given a separate room. Now they both no more shared the same room, and the distance between them grew more and more stronger. The bond was getting fader and fader, and the distance was getting stronger and stronger. The common link of friendship was snapped. The friendship, the bond they shared was getting fader and fader with each passing day, and eventually the friendship was somehow snapped. So these are the three phases: childhood phase, when he used to be with his grandmother in the village; boyhood phase, when he returned to the city but started going to another school in an English medium; and lastly, early youth, when he was going to the university and started living in his own room. So, these are the three phases of the author's relationship with his grandmother before he left the country to study abroad.